In this video, we will see the parts and accessories of this unit as well as how to operate this unit. And in the end, we will see what precautions should be taken while operating this unit. Now let's see the part of this unit. You can see the external part, which is made up of stainless steel, which contains the main cable and the control panel, as well as there is a lead. Now let's see the internal part of this unit. In the internal part there is a stainless steel tank, and at the bottom of that there is a heating coil. Now let's see which accessories are come with this unit. First of all, these four are standard hydrocoiler pack, which are different in size and shape. Now this is a tong, which is mainly used to remove hydrocoiler packs from hot water, and this is stainless steel wire rack, which is used to prevent direct contact of hydrocoiler pack from heating coil. How to place this wire rack inside tank. We have to place the stand on the coil properly, like that, and after that place hydrocoiler pack inside this. Now let's see how to use tong to remove hydrocoiler packs. We have to fix the tong to the hook of hydrocoiler pack and take it carefully, like that. Now see again. We have to fix this tong to the hook and remove it carefully. Now let's see how to operate this unit. For that, first of all, we have to connect this unit to the main supply by the cable. Now look at the control panel. In the center there is a thermostat temperature control knob, which is used to set the heating temperature. For rising the temperature, we have to turn the knob clockwise, and for lower the temperature, we have to turn it anti-clockwise. On the left side, there is two indicators. First is the red indicator, which shows red light when we switch on the machine, and this green indicator shows green light when the heater is start by the setting the temperature. After water acquire preset temperature, this indicator turns off. On the other side, there is a safety switch. In case of any short circuit, this switch will automatically trip. As I explained above, now let's see how it actually works. Before starting the machine, we have to add water inside the tank up to 3/4 of its height. After that, connect this unit to the main supply and turn on the switch. So you can see the red indicator. It shows the machine is turned on. After that, we have to start the heater. For that, for rising the temperature, we have to turn the knob clockwise. So you can see the green indicator, which shows green light when the heater is start. After water acquire preset temperature, this indicator automatically turns off. Now let's see what precautions we should take during the operating this unit. First of all, to use this unit, you must have earthing in your main supply. The second precaution is do not move this unit when there is hot water inside the tank. Third precaution is keep your body and face away while opening the lid. Fourth precaution is always use a tongue to remove hydrocodone packs from the hot water.